Are you having problems with your My Verizon app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, that my Verizon app, it wasn't working, but I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did myself was that I firstly closed the Verizon app, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So as you can see, I'm currently on my settings app right here. So what I did was that I scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, I just clicked on storage, as you can see. So we're just going to click on storage. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to wait for this page to completely load. And when it's loaded, just swipe like all the way up in here, as you can see, and then you're going to search like this. Search for my, search, we can just search Verizon like this, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. Now on this page, just click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again, and just wait for your My Verizon app to completely update to the latest version. So I did this myself. It took me a couple of seconds. As you can see, it says loading now. It's basically almost done, or kind of like done, as you can see. So just wait for it to completely load, then go back into your app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.